How can supplementing minerals help reduce lightheadedness? You need to listen to your body, as lightheadedness is a sign that something is out of balance. Feeling lightheaded can be a result of many things, including high blood pressure, blood sugar imbalance, dehydration, or other potentially serious issues. If you often experience lightheadedness, I definitely recommend that you speak with your health practitioner soon. However, there is something you can do that can support your body's energy generating and hydration capacities. That is taking minerals, and not just any minerals, but plant-based humic and fulvic minerals. Let me explain. Let's say that your lightheadedness is a result of dehydration. Now, of course, drinking some fresh, pure water is the first thing I'd recommend, but I also suggest that you consider putting 1/2 ounce of electrolytes into the water. Just like that. Boom. The next thing I would do is take 1/2 ounce of microboost and put it in the water. The electrolytes and microboost will not only provide 70+ electrolytes, minerals, micronutrients, phytonutrients, and amino acids your body needs to recover quickly, but they also enhance the uptake of that H2O into your cells, where it can return your system to a healthy balance and clear the fog in your head. It's pretty cool how they work. Microboost is made of something called humic, which is a mineral-rich substance that comes from ancient decomposed freshwater plants. The humic molecule is larger than your cell, and it hangs out in your bloodstream. Scientists say that humic makes water wetter because it interacts with the cell walls in your body so that more channels open and more water and nutrients can enter. It works like this. If you're in a room right now, imagine that suddenly several more doors or windows open in the walls of the room. It would make it easier and quicker for more people to come and go from the room. That's what the humic molecule does. It interacts with the proteins in the cell wall so that it opens more channels. Presto changeo, and the channels open. It's pretty cool. Electrolytes is different, but equally important for increasing hydration. Electrolytes is made from a different molecule called fulvic. It also comes from ancient decomposed freshwater plants. Fulvic is a very, very small molecule. It's much smaller than a cell, and it's called a flavonoid. A flavonoid is a powerful intercellular transporter. Imagine now that you just got home from Costco and you have a month's worth of groceries ready to come into your home. But now you have more windows and doors in your walls created by the humic molecule. So now you have these amazing fulvic molecules ready and waiting to carry 60 times their weight of groceries into your home. So what you thought was going to take a good 30 minutes is done in one trip. Humic and fulvic, in the form of beam minerals, electrolytes, and microboost, are a great first choice for someone who experiences lightheadedness.